Hi there everyone, this is Alvi Cardona, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. I will guide you step by step on how to do it. First and foremost, let me tell you that you can only upload a custom thumbnail if you have verified your YouTube account. Don't worry because it's very easy to do it. You will just go to www.youtube.com/verify and then it will gonna ask you your phone number, and then you will just wait for the text with your verification code, and then you will just input it there, and then it will allow you to put in a custom thumbnail. Since you already verified your YouTube account, we can now upload a video. So let's go to YouTube. And then you just have to click on this icon here, the video cam icon, and then you have to upload a video. You have to select the video that you are going to upload. Mine is here. Okay. Once you select the video, you will be redirected to this upload screen here, where there are many different settings like title, description, thumbnail, and you can just control anything here, and you can type in the video title and even the video description, but we will not focus on that now because we will just focus on uploading our thumbnail. So our video is now processing here, and later when the video is already uploaded, YouTube will automatically select 3 thumbnails from the snapshot of your video over here. And then since we would like to upload our custom thumbnail, we can just click in here, just like this one. You will just click in here, and then you have to select from your file the thumbnail that you want to put in there. And in my case, this is the one I'm gonna put in there. So it's here. I am using Canva to make my thumbnail because Canva is free, but you can also use Photoshop or any other software like InstaThumb. InstaThumb is a very nice software as well. So yeah, you can just choose whichever you are comfortable using with. If you are interested with InstaThumb, I can also drop a link down below in the description of this video for you to know more about the product. You can just explore, and then that's it. You can just click next. In here, you have the option to make your video public, unlisted, or private, so it's up to you. And then you just click save, and so I will have it public, then publish, and that's it. We already uploaded thumbnail to our YouTube video, and we'll just check it. So my thumbnail is here already. For example, if you uploaded a video before but it doesn't have a custom thumbnail, you can also upload a custom thumbnail for that video. Here's what you will gonna do. You just click on your YouTube Studio, and then you have to click on videos, and all the videos that you uploaded before are here. So for example, you have to put a thumbnail for this particular, for example, this YouTube video. You will just have to click on this pen-like icon, and it will gonna bring you to this screen, and then wherein you can edit your title, your description. In here, you can click on this upload thumbnail button, and it's the same process. You just to get your thumbnail and then put it there. Then same process as what we had just a while ago. Save. So it's the same process as what we did before. Well, that is everything about this video, and I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. You can also leave a comment below and subscribe for more weekly videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope to see you again sometime soon. Stay safe everyone. God bless and bye bye.